guys, I am Sneha and you are watching my channel Book Junction. Welcome to another brand new video. In today's video, I will be creating an art journal spread using the Cosmic Journal kit that I got from the Bodhi Journal online store. If you haven't watched the haul video, then you can watch it. I will link it in the description box. I saw some comments wherein you guys wanted me to create a journal spread using all those stationery products in the journal kit. So I thought I'll create one in this video. The journal I'm using in this video was sent to me by the brand Meraki recently. I will provide the links of the stationery products in the description box. So if you guys are interested in buying these items, you can click on the links and make a purchase. I will start by using some old paper cuttings. I personally love using paper cutouts in my art journal spreads. Next, I'm going to use some washi tape and sticker from my Little Prince set. Next, I am going to draw some grids all over the journal spread using white pen. I love how beautiful white ink looks on black paper surface. You can use a ruler to draw the lines, but I like it better when drawn imperfectly. It adds a unique element to the spread in my opinion. Now I will use some stickers and add them where I feel they will look the best. The stickers are so beautiful and vibrant and glossy. They look even prettier on the black surface and the quality is also so good. So they will stick seamlessly and I'm totally in love with this stationery kit. Next, I'm writing a quotation with a white ink pen. These words were spoken by the Honorable APJ Abdul Kalam sir. I loved this quotation so much and wanted to write it down somewhere from a really long time. However, I did found it in my old diary, and I wanted to, add it to one of my art journal spreads, and it totally went with this whole vibe of the spread. I will write another quotation on the left hand side page. I don't remember the author of that quotation, but I found it in my diary and loved it, so had to use it in this spread. And the art journal spread is ready. It's the Cosmic Art Journal spread, and I personally love the outcome. It looks quite decent. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts. I would love to read them and talk to you guys. If you enjoyed this video, then definitely consider subscribing. Hit the like button and also the bell icon next to the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any other future videos. I have a lot of amazing videos lined up next, so definitely subscribe and hit the bell icon, and I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye.